The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage is here, and it's not just a facelift, it's a statement. This car isn't playing catch-up. It's redefining what a modern-day sports car should be, and it's got the firepower, design, and tech to prove it. Right off the bat, Aston's given it a more aggressive fascia, wider grille, sharper headlights, and a more sculpted body that screams performance even when it's standing still. But the real thrill? It's what's under the hood. This beast now packs a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, but Aston didn't just tweak it up, they went full mad scientist. Power is up to a blistering 656 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. That's a massive jump from the previous model and enough to rocket the Vantage from 0 to 60 in just 3.4 seconds. Top speed: 202 miles per hour. And it sounds just as savage as it drives. The exhaust note is pure, raw Aston Martin, deep, thunderous, and gloriously unapologetic. But speed alone doesn't define the Vantage. It's how it handles. The chassis has been reworked with a 50% stiffer front body structure, updated adaptive dampers, and a new electronic rear differential. This thing grips corners like a predator hunting its prey. Whether you're carving mountain roads or pushing it on the track, the Vantage feels precise, balanced, and alive. You're not just driving it, you're connected to it. Inside, Aston Martin went all in on luxury and tech. The cabin is completely redesigned with a sharper, more driver-focused layout. The new infotainment system is finally in-house, no more Mercedes hand-me-down set, and it's intuitive, fast, and packed with features. A 10.25-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster bring the Vantage into the modern era. Materials are top-notch, with hand-stitched leather, carbon fiber, and metal accents that feel every bit as premium as the badge promises. But what really sets the 2025 Vantage apart is its personality. This car doesn't try to be a Porsche 911 or a McLaren. It's got that unmistakable Aston Martin swagger, a blend of elegance and aggression. It's loud, it's bold, and it turns heads like nothing else in its class. This is a car for those who want to feel something every time they drive. The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage isn't just a refresh, it's a rebirth. Faster, smarter, sharper, and dripping with charisma. Aston Martin has made a bold move, and it pays off in every rev, every shift, every mile. This is how you do a comeback. If you enjoyed this look at the all-new Vantage, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Rolling Legends, and drop a comment when you take this over a 911 or an F-Type. I'll catch you in the next one.